I'm gonna take you down, dude.
Eliminate the entire. Oh god. Oh, spawn time eliminates with each death, so we have a certain amount of lives. That's what my guess is, at least. What are these sweaties like shooting through? They're like double shooting through portals. This new map is rather maze-like.
One enemy remaining.
There's only one enemy remaining. I haven't even killed anyone.
I've killed 3, I think. No, 2.
Oh my god, I almost killed him. Oh, that wasn't one enemy. That was 2. I don't like this map because I can tell portals are very prevalent.
You have to use them
And
in
it,
portal
yeah,
games?
and it
No
makes
way.
me upset.
No way.
No! Oh god, that guy's so dead.
I do genuinely find it hilarious how much you hate portals in this game that is all about them.
I know. Well, because, like, it's one of those games where it's close enough to, like, one of my favorite games ever that I'm still going to play it. It just, if I don't have to do the thing I don't want to do, I'd rather not.
I wish that guy would have jumped down next to him.
Schleef Schnarf. Woohoo! Hey, McAllister, you're killing everyone. Donate me a 3090 and I'll give you a lollipop. That sounds like a good trade to me. What flavor is it? I'm really not liking this like sweaty gameplay where there's like someone that makes a portal at the very beginning and just like starts instantly shooting.
What I've been doing is just like I make a portal opposite and I just start firing down it like a monkey.
Is that you?
I fire through their portal, yeah. I don't. Oh, what? How you can only get 3 clips of that gun? That
Don't worry.
is kind of BS.
I got him for you, bruv.
Round 1.
It's like a GG easy type moment, you know?
We've done actually well this round.
Standing.
Do you actually use the assault rifle? I don't ever use it.
I'm just using it right now because I've been having the problem where like if a person with the assault rifle spots you first, you lose from either way.
Yeah, assault rifle is really OP.
Last man
Like,
standing.
if you're close, it's like stupid strong. I wouldn't gonna let him kill me. Don't you worry, child. Don't you worry, child. He's almost dead.
Oh my god. That's scary. I didn't like that.
Dude, our boy Sailor is hiding. I like it.
Last man
Out of that,
standing.
he had 5 health left. Very sad.
Oh man, we got a whole fight. It's a long time.
3. I'm 15 seconds.
God dang.
I'm 3 seconds away.
Last man standing.
One of them's really
enemy
good.
remaining.
I don't know if this
King
one's
slain.
still or not. Dude, the grenade's not doing
Yeah, I'm
anybody.
getting. I know. Sometimes I throw them as distractions. Oh, my last man right now. Yep. Okay.
You were.
I did not realize there was 2 of them right there. I was like, I can take one of them.
One. Take
I don't even know how to make a
Dude, this is only our first game, man. Just wait till we're warmed up. Just wait. We get worse. God, dude. These freaking portalers, they're driving me cray-cray. Dude. Ah.
Game over.
Nice.
Victory.
Yeah! I didn't realize how far away that guy was.
You should follow me and go through my portals with me one time. That'd be fun.
What'd you say?
You should come with me and go through my portals. Watch. Alright, ready? Ready?
I missed.
Alright, follow me. Follow me.
Okay. We got someone behind us.
You're good?
I don't even know where we're happening.
Doesn't
Are you
matter.
like
Yeah.
exclusively running shotgun?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You're like, why would I do none other? Yeah, the portals just wasn't working for me, man. When I don't know where they're... Like, I think I could do them myself. When I don't know where they're going, that's just so disorienting.
Game over.
McAllister, you just copped that last kill, bro? You copped it with the shotgun? Disgusting. I like how like unnecessary that was, but you're like, I'm still gonna do it.
Well, no, it wasn't. If I go behind him, they never expect it.
Oh my god, dude, that guy turned around like 2 miles an hour. You could have just like shot again and he would have died.
I mean, listen, I love portaling.
I'm not saying it wasn't. It was fashionable. It was fashionable. I will give you
All right.
that. I'm just.
Thank you.
It
thank
just
you.
you took
At
it a
least
little,
added flair.
you took it a little too far.